Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping by the Ohio Fred channel. We're going to do a little audio testing on my new equipment here, my vlogging equipment. Recently acquired this slightly used, but new to me, Panasonic 4K camcorder. This is the HC-VX870. A lot of features and functions. We won't go into a lot of those now. Plenty of videos on YouTube go over the details of this camera. But what I wanted to do today was test out the external mic versus the internal. This is a surround sound, but I'm going to only use it in 2-channel for my applications. But I want to compare today. We have a nice breeze outside, and I have to shoot an outdoor event tonight. So kind of wanted to see what the two mics, how they compare. So we've got the internal mic on the Panasonic, and I bought the Comica V30 Pro. A lot of features and functions as well. I have it with the windsock on it, so we can test it out. I'm not going to be using the, well, maybe we will test out the 10 dB versus the normal comparison. See what we get, see how it works. So we'll go out and shoot some video out here in the front yard, and we'll go from there. First audio test using the onboard mic. Camera's about, I don't know, 10 inches away from my head. Just shooting. First test, medium breeze, shooting in 4K, normal voice. I got out of the sun just so we don't have any reflection, hopefully. Breeze died down a little bit. There we go, now it's starting to pick up again. So we'll see how that sounds. Beautiful day. I think it's probably right around 50-51 degrees. Got chilly last night. Here comes the breeze again. Here comes a little bit stronger breeze. See what that sounds like. We'll go for a little walk inside the leaves. Come out to the front yard. Here's the wind. All right. That probably concludes the onboard mic. Now let's shoot another clip with the Comica mic. Comica mic is plugged in now, although it is facing forward. We'll see how my voice sounds. Same distance away from me. Breeze is medium right now, but it is moving. Still standing in the front yard, looking towards the back now. We'll pan over towards the front, trying to stay out of the sun. Sun's pretty bright today. I'm waiting for the wind to pick back up. It figures as soon as I turn the camera on, the wind, oh there we go. I was going to say the wind's dying down, but now it picked back up pretty nicely. As I step back, you can see the breeze through the trees. So here's another test. Let me turn the mic around so it's facing me. Mic is now facing me. I don't know if it's going to make any difference for vlogging. I had to move the camera about 4 inches away for me to make room for the mic because it was pretty much right in my jaw. Pretty funny. And the breeze is picking back up, and there we go, looking at the house. Alright, so that concludes, as I turn the mic around, that concludes the mic test without the 10 dB. So quickly, let me do another shot with 10 dB up. Alright, last test. I have the Comica set at the plus 10 dB. So we'll see how we do here. Pretty nice breeze at the moment. Should be able to see the leaves moving. Nice color change started about a week ago. So we were about probably another week away from peak color here. Maybe a week and a half. A view back to the house. Wind's medium. You can see the leaves. Kind of come closer here. Cannas are doing pretty bad this year. Hoping for a better year next year. Alright, so this concludes the 10 dB. See if that makes any difference. Alright, I think we're in good shape.